Hi, in this video I'm going to take you through how to log into the Mr. D Math online classroom. This is for students who are participating in the Mr. D Math online co-op. You'll receive an email from me about 5 minutes before your class time starts, and it's going to invite you to join the class. Watch and see how easy this is to do. Notice here's the email, and it simply says to do this, to join the Mr. D Math online classroom. Just click here, and we're going to do that in just a second. You'll also be asked to enter your name and email address and then click join. Follow the instructions that appear on your screen. If you have technical difficulties, simply scroll down to the bottom of this email, and what you'll notice is if you do have technical difficulties that you have a technical assistance number, and it takes you to here for the U.S. and Canada. Call this number as you see right here, the 1-866-569-3239. Let them know that you are an attendee to the meeting. They're going to ask you a question. The question they're going to ask you is, what is the access code to the meeting or the class session number? And that's right here, as you can see, the 731-375-954 for this particular class. Each Mr. D Math online classroom has its own unique access code, but that will be in your email. Now you can always contact me as well via email or by my office phone, but notice if you need technical assistance, please call the number that you see in this email. Okay, let's go right to this and see how do we log in and do this. And you'll notice that you'll see this each week when you're attending your Mr. D Math online classroom. We're going to click the link, and it's going to take us to a website. As it brings me to the website, what it's asking me to do is it's saying, as you see, to type in your name and to type in your email address. So I'm going to go ahead and put my name in there, and I'm going to type my name in as Dennis, and then I'm going to put in an email address. I don't need to check this box because I don't need to take the free WebEx trial, and you don't either, but I would like to go in and do this. Now, if you'd like to add this to your calendar, you simply click to your calendar. It will add it to your calendar because it meets every single week, and you'll be able to do that as well. But now I'm going to click join, and when I go to join, the software is going to ask me, are you willing to download and agree to this if you have not used the system before? If so, and you will be, go ahead and download, and you're going to see that it's quick and easy to do. Follow these steps. Now, notice that you're going to see that there's a download that just happened. I'm going to click on the download, and I want to make sure that I can go through and do it quickly and easily. So I click on that download so that I can see what it is, and then I can go through, and then I can download the system. Now, if you can't see that, simply minimize your browser, and you're going to see it's going to tell you to run the software. And as you run the software, just bring your browser back up. It's going to go through and do the installation. And it's going to ask you, would you like to do this all the time on this site or run this one time? I'd request that you run it all the time on this site so it always knows that you're doing this. And then it's going to let you into the site, and you're going to see it's just quick and easy to do just like that. It's going to prepare your meeting center, and it's going to bring you right into the online classroom. The first time you use the system, it may take just a moment to do that. In the future times, it will go a lot faster. Now you're going to see that you're in the online classroom. You're going to see Mr. D is the host, and you're going to be able to see yourself here. If you'd like to turn on your webcam, and as well as the audio, I'm going to show you how to do both of those things. Make sure that you're wearing a pair of headphones. And when you're ready to do that, then simply click on Call Using Computer. When it does that, it's going to go ahead and it's going to connect you via the internet, and now the audio conference is turned on. And if I would like to turn on my webcam, I'm going to click this thing that says Start My Video, and you're going to see, and I'll wave to you here in just a second. Now you can see that my picture is down here, and the other Mr. D is over there. This should normally be me as well, but I don't have that webcam turned on. But if I would like to see the person talking, you're going to notice as people are talking that it will go each time. But that's how you can turn that off. If you want to turn off your video, simply turn it back off and it will turn off your video. I recommend using high-speed internet, as well as if you can hardwire your computer into your modem, then you'll get the maximum efficiency. Laptop computers and shared Wi-Fi in large buildings will make the video system lag, so make sure that you have high-speed internet wherever you are, and if possible, hardwire your computer into your modem. If you're unable to do that, then you can minimize any lag time by not using the video during the session. One last thing to see, as you're going to see the screen and how things work, is you're going to look that there's also an opportunity to send messages, and it's going to be able to see that if you want to send Mr. D a private message, just simply say that I would like to either send it to everyone or send it to just Mr. D in private. So if you want to send me a private message, you can, or you can send it to everyone at the same time. You won't be able to send individual messages to individual participants in the class, only to the presenter or to everyone as a group. But if I wanted to put that in, I would say hi everyone, and in it goes, and then I can see that the chat's going to show up, and it tells me that it says hi everyone. and I'll be able to respond to you back and forth as you go. Now, sometimes students like to click to raise their hand. You're welcome to do that, but if you use the chat window, that's going to be the best way to be able to move back and forth. Now, you'll also notice that you'll see my desktop as I'm sharing the class session with you. Once you get logged in and we're ready to go, I'll show students how to do that as well. But this was a quick video to show you how to log into the Mr. D Math online classroom.